I got a song filled with shit for the strong-willed. When the world gives you a raw deal, it sets you off till you scream, piss off, screw you when it talks to you like you don't belong, or tells you you're in the wrong field when something's in your mitochondrial, cause it latched on to you like knock knock, let the devil in, malevolent as I've ever been, head is spinning, this medicine screaming, dick dick dick, let us in, dick dick like a solid ball, Edgar Allan Poe, bedridden, should have been dead a long time ago. Liquid Tylenol, gelatin, sleek my skeletons melting, wicked, I get all high when I think I smell the scent of elephant manure, hell I'm in Kahlua, screw it to hell with it, I went through hell with accelerants and blew up myself again, Volkswagen, tailspin, bucket matches my pale skin, Manowin, went from Hellman's and being rail thin, flarefish, scribble jam, rap Olympics, 97, freak Nick, how can I be down mean? Bazaar in Florida, Bruce room, slept on the Florida motel then, Dr. Dre said hell yeah, and I got a stamp like a postcard, word to mailman, and I know they're gonna hate, but I don't care, I barely can wait to hit him with the snare in the face, square in the face, this fucking world better prepare to get laced, because they're gonna taste my
I got that adrenaline momentum, not going when I'm never gonna slow up and I'm ready to snap any momentum, thinking it's time to go get 'em, they ain't gonna know what hit 'em, when they get beat with the venom, I got that adrenaline momentum, not going when I'm never gonna slow up and I'm ready to snap any momentum, thinking it's time to go get 'em, they ain't gonna know what hit 'em, when they get beat with the, I said knock knock, let the devil in, shotgun, pit pellets in the felt pin, cock fuck around and catch a hot one, it's evident I'm not done, Vic Venom is the thought spun like a weapon, you're discarding them, held against your will like a hubcap or mud flat, beat strangler, attack, so this ain't gonna feel like a love tap, eat painkiller pills, fuck a blood track, like what's her name's at the wheel, then a cup patch, through the car in the reverse at the Indian nut crash in India, the back of it just mangled, steal my Mustang, the Jeep Wrangler, the grill with the front smashed, much as my rear fender assassin, Slim be a combination of an action, kamikaze and Gandhi, translation I will, probably kill us both when I end up back in India, you ain't gonna be able to tell what the fuck's happening in India, when you're bit with the adrenaline momentum, not going when I'm never gonna slow up and I'm ready to snap any momentum, thinking it's time to go get 'em, they ain't gonna know what hit 'em, when they get beat with the venom, I got that adrenaline